Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to spot fake token contracts on DexTools so you don't get scammed. If this tutorial helps you, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get right into it. Scammers love to copy trending token names like Peep, Ship, or even legit pre-sales, and then launch fake versions with identical logos and names. On DexTools, they will often appear right next to the real one, so this is how you can tell the difference. First, check the number of holders. Click on the token and then check the holder's number. If you see only a few hundred wallets, especially after a pump, it's probably a fake one. Real tokens usually have thousands or even hundreds of thousands. Second, look at the contract age and activity. If the contract is just a few hours old and already mooning, that's a big red flag. Third, click on contract and compare the code. Fake contracts often copy-paste from other tokens but remove the key parts like renounce functions or add sneaky fees. Also check for misleading links. Fake tokens may link to cloned websites or fake socials. Always visit official channels separately. And finally, look for a green checkmark on DexTools or other pages. While not 100% reliable, it usually means the contract is more likely vetted. This is for today's tutorial. If this video helped you, then consider subscribing and liking the video.